Hi everyone. So I am Rohit Oswal and I represent Prestine Ventures Private Limited. So here we are local dealer for Reliance Industries Limited Polymer Division. So we trade in plastic raw material granules which Reliance produces for Telangana state. We are also dealer for Reliance in Karnataka from past 10 years. But this is our first year in Telangana. We are doing pretty well, and this whole expo has given a new platform for us to represent ourselves in Hyderabad market. The expo is quite good. We didn't had much expectation with the market because it's just South India's expo. But the footfall we have observed past 3 days, it has been fantastic journey since then. We are also staying here till tomorrow, and we expect the best out of the whole expo. Thank you.